In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send proposed meeting times and emails in HubSpot, the simple and professional way. If you're booking calls with prospects, clients, or leads, adding your meeting link directly inside your marketing emails makes it incredibly easy for them to schedule time with you. No back and forth, no confusion, just a smooth booking experience. I'll walk you through this step by step so you can start doing it immediately. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials and marketing tips. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the top navigation menu and click on Marketing. From the drop-down options, select Email. This will take you to your marketing email dashboard, where you can create and manage your campaigns. Next, click on Create Email. Choose the type of email you want to send, whether that's a regular marketing email or an automated email, depending on your workflow. After selecting your template, you'll enter the email editor. Now here's where we insert your proposed meeting time link. Inside the email editor, add a text block to the section where you want your meeting link to appear. You can either drag and drop a text module into your layout, or click into an existing text area if your template already includes one. Once your text block is in place, type something clear and action-oriented. For example, you could write, "Click here to schedule a time that works best for you," or you can choose one of my available time slots here. Make sure your wording makes it obvious that the reader can select a proposed meeting time. After typing your sentence, highlight the portion of the text that you want to turn into a clickable link. This is usually the call to action phrase, like "schedule a time" or "choose a time slot." With the text highlighted, click the link icon in the formatting toolbar. It looks like a small chain link symbol. A pop-up will appear asking for the URL. Now you'll need your HubSpot Meetings link. If you haven't created one yet, you can generate it from your Sales or Meetings tool inside HubSpot. Copy your meeting scheduling link, then paste it directly into the URL field in the link pop-up. After pasting the link, confirm that the link type is set correctly, then click Apply or Insert. Your highlighted text will now become a clickable meeting link. This means when someone receives your email and clicks that text, they'll be taken directly to your booking page, where they can see your available time slots and select the one that works best for them. HubSpot will automatically handle the scheduling and calendar integration, which saves you time and keeps everything organized. Before sending your email, always use the preview option to test the link. Click on the linked text to make sure it opens your meetings page correctly. You can also send yourself a test email to double-check that everything works smoothly on both desktop and mobile. Once you're happy with how it looks, finish setting up your subject line, recipients, and any personalization tokens you want to use. Then click Review and Send, or schedule the email for later. And that's it. That's how you send proposed meeting times and emails in HubSpot using your meetings link. It's simple, professional, and makes booking calls effortless for your contacts. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future HubSpot tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.